Let me show you the quickest way to cook egusi soup from where I came from. So start by seasoning your meat with some salt, with some pepper. I like some heat in my meat. Chop some onion and add some seasoning cubes. I'm going to list all the ingredients in the description below, okay? Alright, so when you're done doing that, add some water, then cover your pot to cook, okay? Cook a little bit, stir in between your cooking. Alright. Once your meat has cooked halfway, add your washed dry fish and Kpomo, and if you're using stockfish, this is the right time to add your stockfish. Add some oil and cover the pot and cook for a while, okay, just to cook the oil because you don't want your soup to taste raw. Then add your blended egusi. I like to buy my egusi unblended, then wash it thoroughly because what they sell in the market, Charlie, you know how it is. Sometimes it comes with sand. So I like to wash my egusi and blend it myself. In that way, after eating my egusi, I don't get sick. After adding your egusi, add your crayfish, your blended crayfish, add more seasoning cubes, add some salt if there is not enough salt. Then it's time to add our vegetables. So I use ugu and Uziza. I like to use Uziza in my soup because it gives it a nice aroma and freshness, okay? So dice your ugu. But first of all, before you add your ugu, stir your soup, okay? I know you might be thinking, oh, this soup is too watery. Charlie, anytime I'm cooking soup, especially egusi, I don't like it thick. It doesn't go well in my throat. So I tend to make it loose like this. So if you don't like a loose soup like this, don't add a lot of water, okay? Instead, add your water gradually, okay? Until you get the consistency you want. I already know the consistency I want, so I added the water from beginning. So check for salt. If salt is not enough, add a little more salt, okay? Do not add too much. So add some salt, allow it to cook a little bit. Then it's time to add your vegetables because right now the soup is done, okay? So because once you add your vegetables, you cannot cook it more than a minute or two. Because if you do that, your vegetables will turn to brown. You don't want that. You want to still seal that freshness in egusi, okay? So guys, this is it. This is how to cook egusi soup. Very fast, very easy, okay? You don't need to starve your family because you want to make a very perfect looking egusi. So yeah, it's as simple as this and everybody will be happy. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share to your friends. Let's make this family grow. It's growing, I know you can see. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye. I love you guys.